Removing all the front bulbs on the Lexus IS200. So I'm going to show you on the driver's side, as there's more room for access. On the passenger side, the same procedures apply, but there'll be a lot less room to remove the bulbs. So this is the view from the back of the light assembly. You've got the high beam, the side light, the dip beam, and pointing towards the outer of the car you've got the indicator bulb. The indicator bulb is just a wedge, a W21W bulb. All the bulbs are twist anti-clockwise to remove and clockwise to reinsert. Next we've got the low beam, dip beam. The dip beam is a HB4 bulb, so this plastic part is part of the bulb to be replaced. The side light bulb is just a W5W wedge bulb. And the high beam is a HB3. There's no access to the fog lights from underneath the car or behind it, as the wheel arch liner goes all the way under the vehicle and there's no access holes. The fog light is removed by removing the two 10mm bolts that you can see there. I try to have a magnet handy, as the bolts are really difficult to get out with your fingers, and if you dropped them there is no access back there other than to remove the bumper or the undercar tray. So if you've got a telescopic magnet, that'll definitely help. The first time you remove the fog lamp assembly, it might be very difficult to pull past this point, but I assure you that is the way to do it. Pull it out like that, and the connector is here. To remove the bulb, undo this cover, and you've got a H3 bulb, so it's just got this connector here. Undo the retaining clip and remove the bulb. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has saved you some time and money. If you have any questions, then leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.